Hey there, this is Lori Howard. I wanted to share with you a new feature being rolled out on LinkedIn, which called the excuse me, it's called the featured section, and I want to show you what that is, how you can use it, and so that you can make sure you're taking advantage of this new feature. So if you go to your LinkedIn profile, you can see I'm on the regular LinkedIn homepage. All I'm going to do is click on my name over there, and this is what happens when I open it up. I see my actual profile, right, with little edit pencils because I'm the owner of this. If you scroll down, you'll see I have a featured section. And I'll show you in a minute how to add that and how to know if yours has been rolled out yet. So this is not a premium feature, by the way, this is for all LinkedIn users. So even the free version of LinkedIn, you should have access to this at some point as the year progresses. I'm not sure, their rollout seems to have slowed down a bit after COVID-19, but you should all have this soon. So as you can see, I can pick any one of a number of things. I can show posts that I've posted to LinkedIn that I want to highlight. So if I've written something I really want to share with everyone, if there's an article I've published on LinkedIn, I can share that here. Links to web content. So if I find something interesting that I want everybody to see, or if I've written, this is a place, if I've had some clients share their resume here, you can share presentations you've created, you can share videos, links to videos, which would be a link to web content. You can upload photos, PDFs, anything you want to share with people that you want them to know about you. So it's a way to highlight content you've shared or posted here or elsewhere. So as you can see, if you click see all on mine, I have several things I've put here. I've got information about the group that I'm now promoting, so leading remotely is in here. Information about an invitation to schedule an appointment with me for anyone who's feeling like they need some strategy support. They can, and this is a free call, so anyone can do that, and they can do that right from my LinkedIn profile. There's some information I found about the state of the CIO and where things are at right now in tech and in information that I've posted that is current about current layoffs and current hiring practices. I also so here are some testimonials people have written, but they didn't necessarily write them on LinkedIn. So they're not necessarily recommendations here, but they've been written somewhere. So if you even have an old paper letter of recommendation, you can take a picture of it and then put a little quote next to it. And you can share that so people can see other people's recommendations of you, even if it isn't on LinkedIn. This one right here came off of LinkedIn. This one came from my website. This one came from LinkedIn. So you can even take pictures of your LinkedIn recommendations that you really want to make sure people don't miss and put it at the top of your profile by putting it in the featured section. So you can see there's all kinds of things I've got in here, including down here, this is a link to a video I created. Here's a link to an article I wrote. So you can do any of that, and I haven't found a limit yet on how many. I think 6 is probably a good max, and I probably have exceeded that. So the way you add it, once you have a featured section, you click plus and you just add it in. Once you've added it, you can reorder it by clicking the pencil, and this little 4-line thing is how you drag these things around so that you can choose what gets seen first and what doesn't get seen by default. Now, how do you know if you have this? You're going to go to Add Profile section right at the top of your Edit Profile page. It says Featured right here. That's how you know you have it. If the Featured section has been rolled out to you, you will have this listed in your Add Profile section menu. If it has not been rolled out to you yet, it won't be there. So just keep coming back and checking it. This is a really powerful feature that allows you to control how people perceive you, and one of the most important elements to fill out on your profile. So you should always be filling out your headline. My name includes my title. There's a headline. Then you want to make sure that at the very minimum, the top 3 sections of your About section are filled out and are the most important because that's what everyone sees. And then you can fill out the rest of your About section. You get 2,000 characters in here. Take advantage. And then the featured section is next. So you can see these are the things people will see on your profile first. So they're really important to fill out and really useful to help you direct what people know about you and how they perceive you. So I just wanted to share this with you. It's a new feature LinkedIn is rolling out. If you need any help with it, let me know. Again, this is Lori Howard. Take care. Have a great day.